Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if it's the first time watching this video or you're new to this channel, my name is Blessing Chiamaka, and today I'll be teaching you all how to make shortbread cookies. And now to the procedure. So we have the dry ingredients here: the flour, the icing sugar, the white sugar, and of course the milk. So these are the dry ingredients whereby you need to mix everything together until they are well incorporated. And then the next thing we're going to add in here is the unsalted butter. Please do not use margarine for this recipe. It is not allowed. Use unsalted butter at room temperature for this particular shortbread. And then you add in your flavor. Actually use a milk flavor for this recipe. You mix together and to form into a breadcrumbs. Make sure you mix properly, and then you add in your water. Do not add too much water, please. Make sure that you follow the recipe strictly. If you add too much water, you're going to end up adding extra flour for kneading, just like what you're going to see in this video now, because I actually added too much water mistakenly. Let's just say that, and I end up, adding extra little quantity of flour. So that's just like what you're seeing now. I added little quantity of flour because my dough was too soft. Please do not over knead your dough. Make sure you fold it, not like use your hand to fold, just like what you're seeing in the video. Do not overwork your dough just as if you're kneading a fondant. It's not allowed. Just make your dough properly, but do not knead it. So by the time you're done with this aspect, use the cling film to wrap it off, and then you put it into your fridge or your freezer just for it to be set. And then when it's out of the freezer, and then you open it up, and then you cut into different parts. By the time you're done cutting, make sure that you just more like folding it, and then you roll into a nice shape before you start cutting them, just like what you're seeing in this video. So the more you kind of fold it, the more you achieve a smooth dough, and then you cut into a long square shapes, just like what you're seeing here right now. So you keep doing that, until you're done with the dough. So this recipe is actually a nice recipe, and I want you all to try it. And before I continue, if you're new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get more video tutorials on my channel, and I guarantee you that you're getting more amazing content from me. And if you want me to teach you any other thing, you can actually drop your comment in this particular video section, and I will definitely communicate with you. So by the time you're done with the cutting, the next thing is we are going to bake our cookies. Please, I repeat myself, do not use margarine. Margarine is not allowed for this recipe. Use unsalted butter at room temperature, okay? So we're almost done cutting the dough to form into a long square shape, and by the time you're done, you can set it into your oven to bake. Now if you notice, I actually use my mats here, so you can bake without the mat. You can put it in your oven tray. Make sure you apply some oil or butter or margarine on your oven tray, and then place your cookies on it to bake. But me, I didn't actually use the tray. I just placed my cookies on this mat, and then I baked like that into my oven. So before you bake into the, make sure that you use the fork to give it those kind of holes. Those normal ones you see in the supermarket. So those holes you see, you can actually use this here. Use the fork or a toothpick to give it those holes to look like the real shortbread cookies. So as it is now, it's set to bake. Okay, now our cookies is ready. Like there. Yummy fine cookies is ready. This recipe is so amazing, and it's very simple to make. You understand? So I want you all to try it and share your feedback with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and your friends. Subscribe to my channel to enjoy getting more content from me, and of course make these yummy cookies for your loved ones, for your kids, and for your family. Once again, thank you so much for sticking around with me on my channel, and have an amazing time while trying this recipe. Do not forget to share your feedback with me, okay? Bye for now. Thank you.